What's up everybody, BaBa Dees here and welcome to Eat, Love, Cook, a brand new series where I'm going to talk to you and share with you some tips in the kitchen starting right now. So what you're going to need for this recipe is some Greek feta dressing, a pack of 4 boneless chicken breasts, some skewers, a good chopping knife, and a good cutting board. We're going to go ahead and cut our chicken breasts into medium-sized pieces, trying to keep them as equal as possible. Go ahead and open up your dressing. Now you can use dressing as marinade, and that's the secret right here. It's infused with all of the good flavors that you need with no work at all on your end other than pouring it into a bowl. So mix it up, put them onto skewers just like that. I normally put about 4 pieces per skewer. Try to find them around the same sizes so they cook evenly. I'm gonna be making this for tonight. Go ahead and just put them in a freezer bag, or you can put them in an airtight container. Here's another tip for you. If you see meat on sale, buy it and meal prep ahead of time. What I'm going to be doing right now is putting these in a vacuum seal pack and then using my vacuum sealer to actually take all the air out and preserve my food for when I'm ready to use it. I'll link all the details of this particular one right in the corner. So let's continue. Now for the best results, I recommend that you marinate this overnight, or if you can't, a few hours will do. So let's take them out of the bag. Let's get some oil and let's get this cooking started. Now I'm going to be putting this on medium high. I just really want to get some char marks on mine. If you have an air fryer or if you just want to put this in the oven, you can do that as well. If you're putting them in the oven, you want to set your oven at 450 degrees and let them cook for 25 to 30 minutes. If you're doing them in an air fryer, you want to set your air fryer for 350 degrees and you want to let them cook for about 7 to 9 minutes, turning them halfway through the cooking process. Now the secret to making sure that you get a nice grill mark, whether you're barbecuing or you're doing it on your stove, is to 1, grease your surface really well, and number 2, allow the meat to separate from the grill. It will tell you when it's ready. You shouldn't need to fight it. But hey, let's get back into this. So now that I got my grill marks, I'm gonna go ahead and move these into a pan and put them directly into the oven. Now these chicken kebabs just need about 15 minutes in the oven just to completely cook on the inside, and you could serve these up with anything, but I'm doing mine with potato wedges and some fresh homemade tzatziki sauce. You have to give this a try. Quick, simple, and easy. Hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and take those tips and use them. Thanks for watching.
I can tell you my problems, I can tell you my sins, I can tell you my problems. I'm uncomfortable in my skin, I'm uncomfortable with my ends, I'm uncomfortable with my friends, I'm uncomfortable with my drinking, I'm uncomfortable with my thinking, I'm uncomfortable with my ways, I'm uncomfortable in this space, I'm uncomfortable on good days, I'm uncomfortable on bad days, I'm uncomfortable with my soul, I'm uncomfortable with my heart.